In today's video, we'll be providing you with the fuel pump fuse and fuel pump relay locations for your 2002 through 2003 Ford Explorer. We'll also take you step by step and show you how to test both the fuse and the relay. First, let's provide you with a brief overview of the components we're going to talk about in today's video. Here you see a picture of the fuel pump relay. This relay has two sides to it, a load side and a control side. We're going to be focusing today on the load side of the relay. There is a fuse that powers the load side of the relay that we're pointing to here with the purple arrow. That's the fuse we're going to help you identify, along with the fuel pump relay itself. In order to locate the power distribution box, open the hood. The fuse box is located on the driver's side. Remove the access panel to reveal the fuses and relays. The fuel pump fuse is a 15 amp fuse. It is component number 26 on the fuse box diagram. The actual physical location of the fuse is shown in the picture. The type of fuse used for this component is a mini fuse. We'll leave a link down in the description below of where you can get some replacement fuses. Next, we'll show you how to use a multimeter to verify whether or not your fuse is good. This is how you perform a resistance test using a digital multimeter. First, set your multimeter to resistance mode. Second, after making sure your test probes are in the correct ports and verifying your tool is configured correctly, touch one of your leads to one side of the fuse and touch your other lead to the other side of the fuse. If your display shows OL or doesn't change, this means the fuse is bad. If your display shows 0 or virtually 0 resistance, this means your fuse is good. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. The fuel pump relay is component number 48 on the fuse box diagram. The actual physical location of the relay is shown in the picture. One way to test the relay is to simply swap the relay with another known good relay of the same style and type. On this year range of vehicle, the relay shown in the picture is a good one to swap. You can swap the relays and see if that solves your issue. If so, you'll need to replace the relay. Another way to test the fuel pump relay is by performing a bench test. If you look on the side of the relay, you'll see the pin assignments. Using this information, we can test the relay by supplying our own inputs and monitoring the outputs using a multimeter. Pins 1 and 2 are the control side of the relay. We can provide our own power and ground as shown in the diagram. Pins 3 and 5 are the load side of the relay. If the relay is good, when we apply a power and a ground to the control side of the relay, we should see continuity or virtually 0 resistance on pins 3 and 5. If the relay is bad, when we apply a power and a ground to the control side, we'll see OL or no change on our multimeter display. When bench testing relays and other components like this, we recommend the Power Probe 3. We've owned this tool several years and have many videos showing it in action. The Power Probe 3 makes it very convenient to apply power and grounds when testing components. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.